All right, today I'm going to show you how to create a really super cool online quiz in PowerPoint that you can use for kids to review right inside of Schoology. We're going to use some of the ideas that we already had in our last presentation, which was about how to embed PowerPoints. So let's take a look. So here I am in PowerPoint. So let me just show you what I did. So I created a PowerPoint quiz. Now these are all going to be multiple choice questions. So looking at slide 2, you can see I just kind of got this set up as a template. I've got my question number in the upper left, and then it's multiple choice. I got my text here, and then I've got A, B, C, D with the answers underneath. Right, so what I did was I created 10 slides like that. So let me just show you. So here's an example of what just the master slide looks like. So I copied that in 10 times into my PowerPoint, or however many questions you're going to want to have. Then what I did was, right after my question, I added a slide that said correct, great job. So I added one of those after every question, and then at the very end, I added a slide that said sorry, try again. So here's how I set this up. So after my first question, so I've got my question here, and I've got my 4 choices. So what I did was, so the first question says, which view in PowerPoint can be used to enter speaker comments? So that is the notes view. So if I go up here to view and I hit the notes page, then I can see where I can add my speaker view, right? So there's just a simple, it's a pretty common PowerPoint type question. It also, you can get to it down here clicking in that speaker view. So the right answer is definitely the notes page, which is answer D, right? So I put my 4 answers in, A, B, C, D. Then what I did was, now what I want to do is I want to link those. So I go to A, and I highlight the letter, and I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to hit Link. Now, that's the wrong answer. So then what I'm going to do is, when I click on that, I'm going to want to go to this middle one that says a place in this document. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on slide 22, the sorry slide again slide, and I'm going to hit OK. Then my second one, B, that's also the wrong answer. I'm going to do the same thing. Link, slide 22, OK. C is also the wrong answer. I'm going to go in Link, slide 22, OK. Now, my right answer is D, the notes page. I'm going to go to Link, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to the next slide, which is the correct answer. So that's going to be slide number 3. So I click slide number 3, hit OK, and now I've got my links all set up. So I'm going to go through and do that for all of my questions, right? So I'm going to link all of my incorrect answers to slide 22, and I'm going to link all of my correct answers to the next slide. Now, how am I going to get this to work as the kids go through? Now what I need to do, after I go through and do that for all of my slides, I'm going to go to my sorry, try again slide. And then what I'm going to do is click on the text here that says try again, and I'm going to go up to Insert and where it says Action, and I'm going to click on Action, and I want to hyperlink this one to the last slide viewed. Then I'm going to hit OK. So what this is going to do is when the kids get the wrong answer, it's going to take them back to the question. Then when they get the right answer, it's going to take them to the next slide, and then that'll allow them to click through. So let's take a look at what this is going to look like once it's all set and ready to go. So I'm going to go back to my first slide, and I'm going to hit Home, and I'm going to go up here to, I'm going to go down to the bottom where it says Slideshow. So here we go, and I am going to hit Slideshow now. So here I am on my slideshow, and here it is, my time for a quiz. So I click on this. Here's my first one, multiple choice. Which view in PowerPoint can be used to enter speaker comments? So I'm going to click on the wrong answer, A, normal. Oh, sorry. Now I click on try again. Takes me back to that slide. Now I know that the right one is actually the notes page. So I click on D takes me to the next slide. Correct. Great job. Click on that. Takes me to the next question. Which option in PowerPoint allows to carry slides from one computer to another? Is it save as, save and go, pack and go, or web and go? So let's just guess save and go. Nope, not the right answer. Click try again. Oh, it's pack and go, I think. Click on that, correct answer, and it gets me there. And I can work my way all the way through until I get to the last one. So there's a great way to do this, and you can embed this right into Schoology, and the kids can play with it inside of the screen.